In our modern world, saturated with devices containing microphones, the Plaud NOTE and Plaud NOTE Pin stand out as specialized tools designed for exceptional audio capture. These devices transcend the limitations of multi-purpose smartphone microphones by focusing solely on delivering premium recording quality combined with intelligent processing. The difference lies in their dedicated form factor and advanced AI integration, creating a recording experience that feels both effortless and profoundly useful. Where smartphone voice memos often produce mediocre results in real-world conditions, the Plaud system guarantees professional-grade audio capture with the added benefit of automatic transcription and analysis, premium hardware design, and functionality. The Plaud NOTE represents a marvel of minimalist engineering, measuring just 0.117 inches thick, comparable to a credit card in size, but packed with sophisticated technology. Its sleek aluminum casing comes in two tasteful color options, projecting professional elegance while maintaining complete discretion. Designed for active lifestyles, it offers multiple wearing configurations through its innovative magnetic back and clip system. Users can attach it discreetly to clothing, wear it as a wristwatch, or hang it as a necklace. The author's preferred method for its convenience and visibility. A prominent red LED indicator light serves as both a functional recording status display and an ethical transparency feature, ensuring all parties know when audio capture is active. This combination of portability and clear visual cues makes the NOTE Pin ideal for journalists, researchers, and anyone needing reliable recording on the move. Capturing life's precious moments. The emotional value of the Plaud system becomes particularly evident when used to preserve family memories. Traditional recording methods often disrupt the natural flow of interactions, as the act of pulling out a smartphone creates self-consciousness among participants. The Plaud devices eliminate this barrier through their discrete operation and one-touch activation. For creative professionals and content creators, the Plaud system solves the perennial problem of losing fleeting ideas. The ability to instantly record thoughts during walks, commutes, or moments of inspiration without breaking creative flow to fiddle with smartphone apps proves invaluable. The necklace-worn NOTE Pin becomes an invisible companion that captures every brainstorm, interview insight, or spontaneous concept in high fidelity. Later, these raw ideas transform into structured content through the system's AI-powered organization tools, effectively bridging the gap between inspiration and execution. Advanced AI-powered features. At the heart of the Plaud system lies its sophisticated AI processing powered by ChatGPT-4 technology. This advanced foundation enables capabilities that far surpass basic transcription services. Recordings automatically convert into accurate, formatted text with speaker identification in multi-person conversations, a boon for journalists conducting interviews or teams documenting meetings.
You paste that into a doc, copy paste that into your AI, boom, summaried. Now Gemini and ChatGPT are both free, but there are paid versions for both that are both $20 a month, which is $240 a year. You could just go this free route and pay for the premium ChatGPT to get, the better summary, I guess, but I wouldn't recommend that. $240 a year is kind of a lot.
The system doesn't stop at simple transcription. It analyzes conversations to generate comprehensive outlines and even visual mind maps, revealing the underlying structure and connections within discussions. This transforms hours of audio into easily navigable, searchable knowledge bases. Professional-grade noise cancellation algorithms isolate voices from challenging environments like crowded streets or moving vehicles. Smart audio trimming automatically removes silent gaps and extraneous noise, delivering polished recordings ready for sharing or archiving. Flexible export options, practical applications across industries. In professional environments, the Plaud system demonstrates its worth as an indispensable productivity tool. Business meetings transform from ephemeral discussions into searchable, analyzable records that can be referenced months later with perfect accuracy.
This AI recorder should be a game changer. Record meetings, lectures, conversations, phone calls, whatever, and generate transcriptions and summaries with ChatGPT. Instantly start a recording and save to the cloud should be a no-brainer, right? But there's a huge caveat here. There's a subscription, which I am wholeheartedly against. So I got classes coming up and I want to figure out if I can do what this can do, but for free, or at least as close to free as possible. I'm going to put this thing up against a $1,000 flagship all the way down to a $100 phone to see what are you really getting for your money in this thing.
Legal professionals benefit from its discrete call recording capabilities when documenting client communications, while medical practitioners can use it to capture patient interactions for later review. The system's ability to identify different speakers and highlight key discussion points makes it particularly valuable for teams collaborating across time zones or languages. Subscription options and pricing. Plaud adopts a freemium model that makes its technology accessible to all, while offering advanced features for power users. The free tier provides generous 300 monthly transcription minutes alongside core features like speaker identification and basic summarization. More than adequate for casual users, preserving family memories or capturing occasional ideas.
$1 million. And it's pretty legit, but it's still in its early stages. Let's get into the unboxing and let's check it out. So we got the box in front of us right here. We got the back. This is what it looks like. The front, little metal thing. We open up the side and we get another box that also says Plaud on it with that same product on the front. On the back we got nothing, side nothing. And let's open that up from the side with magnets and we get the product right away. Look at that thing. That is so...
Professionals and heavy users can upgrade to the Pro plan, which quadruples the transcription allowance to 1,200 minutes and unlocks powerful tools like custom summary templates and direct AI interaction with recorded content. The ethical dimension of modern recording technology. As recording devices become increasingly sophisticated and discreet, the Plaud system raises important questions about privacy and consent in the digital age. The company addresses these concerns through thoughtful design choices like the prominent recording indicator light and clear guidelines about legal recording practices. However, users must remain mindful of local laws regarding audio recording, which vary significantly by jurisdiction. The device's very effectiveness at capturing clear audio in any environment comes with responsibility. While it's perfect for documenting family gatherings or business meetings with consent, comparing Plaud to traditional recording methods. The Plaud system's advantages over smartphone voice memos or dedicated voice recorders become immediately apparent in real-world use, where phone recordings often suffer from handling noise, accidental muting, or poor microphone placement. The Plaud devices deliver consistent, high-quality audio regardless of conditions. Traditional digital recorders might match the audio quality, but lack the seamless AI integration that makes Plaud truly transformative. For professionals who regularly work with audio content, these time-saving features quickly justify the investment. Future potential and wishlist features. While already impressive, the Plaud platform has exciting potential for future development. Integration with popular productivity tools like Notion or Google Docs could streamline workflows further. Enhanced editing capabilities within the app would allow users to polish recordings without switching platforms. The Plaud system as the first genuinely useful implementation of AI in personal technology. Its success lies in focusing on solving real problems rather than chasing gimmicks, the seamless capture of meaningful audio, and its transformation into organized, actionable information. Whether preserving irreplaceable family moments, boosting professional productivity, or nurturing creative work, the Plaud Note and Note Pin deliver tangible benefits that justify their place in users' daily lives. As we wrap up, it's clear the Plaud Note system represents a major leap forward in voice recording technology, combining discrete, high-quality hardware with genuinely useful AI-powered transcription and analysis features that make it invaluable for everything from preserving family memories to boosting professional productivity. Want to stay ahead of the AI curve? For more information, check out judyfmarketing.com. If you found this review helpful, I'd truly appreciate a like, subscribe, and would love to hear your thoughts in the comments about how you might use this innovative device in your daily life.